Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's discuss some of the current and static MCQs for the prelims 2020. First question, which of the following statement is or correct in the context of Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana? First statement, this is a central sector scheme under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Second statement, this scheme is for providing physical aids and assisted living devices for all senior citizens. Here we need to choose the correct statement. Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana is a central sector scheme under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So the statement 1 is correct. And in the second statement, this scheme is providing physical aids and assisted living devices only for the BPL category citizens, senior citizens, not for all senior citizens. Hence the statement 2 is incorrect. So the correct option is 1 only, that is C. Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana. The scheme aims at providing senior citizens belonging to BPL category and suffering from any of the age-related disability or infirmity like low vision, hearing impairment, or loss of teeth, and any of the assisted living devices which can restore near normalcy in their bodily function and overcoming the disability or infirmity manifested. The main aim of the scheme is providing physical aids and assisted living devices for senior citizens belonging to BPL category. It is under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and it is the central sector scheme. Second question, which of the following countries are members of G20 but not in G7 group? These four countries are the members of G20 group and we need to recognize the country which is not in the G7 group. So that is Russia, D. Here the G7 countries are Canada, USA, UK, France, Germany, Japan and Italy. Third question. In this question the statements are given first. The first statement, the book written by him was banned in India by Britishers but Madam Bikaji Kama published it in Netherlands, Germany and France. The second statement, he founded two-nation theory in his book Hindutva. Third statement, he also worked on abolishment of untouchability in Ratnagiri and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar compared his work to Lord Buddha. The above statements are pointing to option A, Lala Lajpat Rai, option B, Uddham Singh, option C, Madan Mohan Malviya, option D, Veer Savarkar. Here these statements are pointing at option D, Veer Savarkar. Veer Savarkar, he formed a youth organization to bring national and revolutionary ideas called Mitramela. He authored the book The History of the War of Indian Independence. In this book, he emphasized on the guerrilla warfare tricks used in 1857 Sipai Mutiny, but the book was banned in India by Britishers. But Madam Bikaji Kama published it in Netherlands, Germany and France. He founded two-nation theory in his book Hindutva. In 1937, Hindu Mahasabha passed it as a resolution. He also worked on the abolishment of untouchability in Ratnagiri and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar compared his work to Lord Buddha. Fourth question, which of the following statement is or incorrect about Paika rebellion? Statement A, it was an armed rebellion against the British East India Company's rule in Gujarat in 1817. The Paikas rose in rebellion under the leadership of Bakshi Jagabandhu. Option Statement C, the Paikas were traditional militia. They served as warriors and were charged with policing functions during peacetime. Here it is speaking about Paika rebellion which was against the British East India Company in Odisha in 1817. It is here in this statement it is telling that it is in Gujarat. So statement A is incorrect. Here the question is asking for incorrect statement, so the answer will be A. The Paika rebellion was also called Paika Birdroha. It was armed rebellion against the British East India Company's rule in Odisha in 1817. The Paika rose in rebellion under the leadership of Bakshi Jagabandhu and projecting Jagannath as the symbol of Odia unity. The rebellion quickly spread across most of the Odisha before being ruthlessly put down by Company's force. Actually, this mutiny happened in 1817, even before the Sipai mutiny of 1857. So, some historians consider this as the first war of Indian independence. Fifth question. Which of the following is are incorrectly matched? A. Wanchua Festival, Assam. B. Nagoba Festival, Telangana. C. Tuluni Festival, Nagaland. D. Karchi Festival, Mizoram. Here, it is asking for incorrectly matched. The D. Karchi Festival is in Tripura, not Mizoram. So, option D is wrong. Wanchua Festival, Assam, is to celebrated by Tiwa tribes as the harvest festival. Nagoba festival is celebrated in Telangana by Gond tribes, also known as Kesalpur Jatra. Tulani festival is celebrated in Nagaland by Sumi tribes. Karchi festival is celebrated in Tripura as the in the Chaturdash Devata Mandir. It is performed after the 15 days after Ambubachi Mela. It also includes animal sacrifice. These are the questions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.